talk a little bit about needlepoint canvas versus plastic canvas and how to know which one to use for your projects. Needlepoint canvas is an actual woven textile type grid fabric, and you can see that it is made of distinct threads that are woven on a warp and a weft. This comes on a long roll of fabric and is sold by the yard, so you can buy this in really large pieces. So it's great if you need to do something big like a big wall hanging or a large footstool or a large pillow or something like that. And needlepoint canvas is very flexible and it is a textile, so it'll soften up as you use it. So this is great for something like a pillow or a zipper bag, anything that you want to really have a little bit of softness and flexibility to it. The disadvantage to needlepoint canvas is that it does fray quite easily on the edges, so you always need to finish the edges, whether that's by sewing it, like if you're going to sew it on a machine and make it into a pillow or a zipper bag, or if you frame it in a traditional frame, that's a good way of finishing it. But you always need to take that extra step of finishing, so that's sort of one of the cons to this product. The other thing we use is plastic canvas, and this is made of plastic. It doesn't have distinct threads that are woven like the needlepoint canvas does. It's just sort of a continuous piece of plastic that has these holes in a grid shape. Plastic canvas is only sold in sheets of this size, so you're limited in the size of the project that you can make, but it's great for making projects that you want to have a lot of structure. Things like tissue boxes or our go your own way vase. It's really ideal for things that you want to be sort of 3D and very structured, and it will not soften up over time. It will always retain the same shape, so it's really reliable in the shape that you make it. And it doesn't need to be finished on the edges. So you can just cut this with scissors very easily to any size or shape that you want. And then you can just either do your Bargello right up to the edge, or you can sort of do a whip stitch to finish the edge just to hide that canvas edge. But you don't ever have to worry about this unraveling. But a basic rule of thumb is anything that is sort of structured and 3D and sturdy, I usually go with plastic canvas. Anything that I want to be soft and a little bit supple, I go with the needlepoint canvas.